What is up, guys? It's Fran here with another video. I know I've been consistent and you guys are kind of wondering like, dang, she's really on a roll. So if you don't know, I own a clothing boutique that I launched in January, and when I launched it, I didn't think that it would be this successful. It's so successful now that I have put a shipping station in my room. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that this is not the original look. I have been having trouble with figuring out where to put this clipboard, and then I put like a little sticker right here just to see like what it would look like, and I don't like it, so it'll be changed again like for the third time. But anyways, I just wanted to share how I did this. Alright guys, as you guys can see, I am kind of making a shipping station for me to make it easier. A couple placements will change definitely because I'm just kind of working with it. The stickers. It says, "You've got great taste." So, had to get that. And then here we have our gun. Our hang tag gun. We have some pins. I'm definitely gonna move this clipboard because it's just in a weird space now that I've added the clear casing for our products. Some things that I couldn't hang. As you guys know, we have some, turn this down. We have our hang tags here. I couldn't put them anywhere that I can think of right now, but I needed to get them out of this box. So what I did was, oh, and another thing, all of this stuff is from Dollar Tree, except these bins. I think I got those from Target, but I spray painted them black. They were a rose gold color. And let's see. This is just a coloring box, a pencil box from Dollar Tree. And so I'm just gonna dump all of my hang tags, the hang tags in here so that they'll be easier to, you know, maneuver around. Eventually I'm gonna fix this and get this all neat and stuff, but until then, this is just the setup. So just like that, our hang tags are here. And then on the top here, I'm not really sure what I can put right there yet. I don't know, but I'll figure out what can go here later. So for the meantime, you're gonna stick it right in the middle of that, like that, just to keep, because when I grab one, I can just grab it like this and it'll be easy. So I'm definitely gonna move this clipboard. My cards, they got shipped off today, so they should be in the mail soon. This is my thank you card so far. This is the thank you card so far. I have two different ones. I just don't know how this will work. I have two different thank you cards, and I personally write these cards myself before I ship out. And then this is the other one. So nothing is in them. You'll get a message from me. So yeah, it's pretty cool. What I do is, every time you order something from me, I keep the shipping, so I print my labels at home. And then, I'm not understanding why this is so bright, but what I do is, ooh, let's make sure. I take this part where it has my address and then your address, and I'm gonna take them and I'm gonna keep a file, so just in case you say like, oh, I didn't get my order, I can always go back here and find your order right here. Eventually all of my business documents will be here. I'm gonna put my sales and tax paper here, all of my EIN letters and everything. But just for today, this is just for the sake of this video and time, I'm just gonna do that later once I have a little bit more time on my hands. Yeah, as you can see, a couple things are gonna have to change, especially this clipboard. I'm getting ready to make a sign to put over it that says shipping station, and then I'm going to take these labels that I also got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to label the 3 bins. And this is where my cart will go. I think that's pretty much it for right now. I'm gonna go make the sign and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so pretty much all of this I've had already. I'm just putting it kind of all together now. So this is the shipping sign that I made. It's real basic, but it's really cute to me. So let's start from here. Right here I have pins and tape because I didn't know where to put my tape. I got this crate right here, this little container right here from Target a while back. It was in rose gold and I spray painted it black. And then also I got this one from Target, same bin, and it was rose gold and I spray painted it. I have my little hang tag thingies, my hang tag gun right here, and right here I have what I put the clothing in to kind of protect it from the polymillers. Of course, the clipboard that I've been talking about, and this really cute sticker. I don't know what to put in this area right now, so I was just like, let me see if a sticker will work, and that didn't work, so I'm going to be taking that down. I just got these in the mail today. I have a couple pieces coming in from my wholesaler. They should be in sometime this week, so these I wanted to, you know, get to put the outfits in to make it kind of fun. So that, and then also let's talk about these crates really quickly, and let me go back to this crate. So these crates again are from the Dollar Tree. I got all 3 of them from the Dollar Tree. I got these little cute labels from the Dollar Tree as well. I got this pencil box from the Dollar Tree. And guess what I keep in them? Let me try to open it really quickly. Oh, that's backwards. So what I keep in here are my hang tags. So let's see. So Vanilla & Company. So anytime you order anything from me that is a clothing piece, you will get one of these. Up here, oops. Up here, there's a, my niece is crying because she's getting out the tub. But up here, there's a little space. I don't know what to put right there yet. So it's empty at the moment. So that is that. I kind of keep this in here because when I pull one out, it's easier than trying to, you kind of get the gist. And then again, these really cute polymillers that I got in a set of 20, I believe, or maybe 1, 2, maybe in a set of 20. I'm not gonna count all of these because I don't feel like it, but I think this is a set of 20, and they were like $9, I think, on Amazon. I may link those below. Right here, I have all of my business information. So like if I go to a wholesaler and they want to see my tax information or my tax permit or my business license, all of that is in here. And also I have some thank you cards in here, and they're really cute. Let me just see if I can get one. See, really cute thank you cards in here as well. Sorry if you can hear my niece, she's crying, she's cranky. And then yeah, I have my text and use paper, so no one can say that I'm not legit because I have all of my paperwork. Some tissue paper in here that I have from the Dollar Tree as well because I wanted to make my packaging really cute. I have some more thank you cards in here. Let's see. These are really cute. I really like them. I like them because they have like the insects on it, and I believe that this one is a butterfly, but I'm not sure. So that kind of went with my aesthetic. Let's see what else we have back here. Again, the stickers are back there. It's a roll of 500. I'm not sure you can see the roll, but it's back there. And then I ordered my business cards last night, guys, and they will be placed right here for the fun part. Okay, so I got this from Dollar Tree as well. In here, I really didn't know what to put in here, if I should put like the shipping labels or what, but for right now I just have these padded envelopes that I ordered from the post office and they got delivered here, so they're in here for right now. But this may change, all of this may change actually, because I'm really not set on this setup. It may change. So for right now I have these padded envelopes for my hoodies because I've been having a lot of hoodie orders so far for the most part, and then hopefully when my clothing come in I can use these pretty little things. And then also I have a chair right here because eventually I'm going to get a table, and this is going to be like my work / study area, probably just work area though. So this used to be my big old important paper thingy, and yes, I still have important papers in here for like my car and school and tax and W-2s and all that junk. But to be more portable, I got this little cute thing right here. So for the most part, that is it. So let's just get right into the time lapse and how I did this, and yeah, so you can see how this beautiful thing came about. You will not see how I made the sign because I made that off camera, but everything else and the placement and everything and how I placed it and how it's like so evenly placed, you'll see that in a few minutes, so y'all keep watching. My shipping station where I have all of my supplies behind me and everything is looking all nice. Okay, so if you're shaking the camera. Come here. Listen to me earlier when I said that in the thingy right here that I will put all of my tax documents. Well, I have my tax permit. So I'm gonna be putting that inside of here. So whenever I go on like business trips, like in March, I go on a business trip and I'll have all of that portable to me instead of having to look for it or it being in a frame or anything. I'll have all of my documents here. I want to start like a business portion on my channel where I talk about how I started my business, why I started a business, and all of the ins and outs of starting a business. If you don't know about my business, then I'll have my website linked below. Also, I have a blog on my website that you can read, and you can also sign up for the newsletter and stay connected when I have new inventory, when I have new products and everything, like the cosmetic line that I'll be starting very, very soon. Matter of fact, this Thursday. So Thursday, I'm starting the cosmetic line. So in March, I am going on a business trip to Dallas, Texas to go to their fashion district and get some wholesale items to add to the website. I also already ordered a few items from my wholesaler in LA. So those items will be coming in really soon. So those items will be coming in really soon. So stay tuned for that, guys. Like, I have so many crazy ideas and everything, and I just wanted to get organized. So this is me getting organized. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let me know what other business video you like to see. If you want to see like more behind the scenes footage, please follow me on my Instagram pages at Fran and Jared or at Vanilla and Company _, or you can follow me on my personal page, Frances M. Cameron, and you'll be able to see all the behind the scenes, everything, my daily life on just everything that I post. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you want to see anything else. And yeah, I think that's all I have for you guys today, and I'll see you guys Thursday. Want to say bye? Whee! Say bye bye. Do it. Whee!